Anthocyanins. Anthocyanins, the largest water-soluble pigments in the plant kingdom, are a type of flavonoid, a phytonutrient found exclusively in plants. Plants with these colorful pigments have long been valued in herbal medicine for their numerous health benefits. For example, cranberries have been used for treating urinary tract infections, elderberries for combating colds and flu, and hawthorn for lowering blood pressure. Modern science is affirming that anthocyanins are a medicine chest in a vibrant package. Foods and herbs with these particular hues have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties. Research indicates that purple and red fruits, vegetables, and herbs, as well as supplements of concentrated anthocyanins, may help to protect against cancer, cognitive decline, diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Health benefits. Enhance heart health. In 2010, a report in Nutrition Reviews evaluated studies on anthocyanins, and concluded that berries and purified anthocyanin extracts convey significant improvements in cardiovascular risk factors including LDL oxidation, lipid peroxidation, total plasma antioxidant capacity, dyslipidemia, and glucose metabolism. According to the report, both healthy subjects and people with existing metabolic risk factors benefited from anthocyanins. Among other favorable actions, anthocyanins increase endothelial nitric oxide formation, decrease oxidative stress, and inhibit inflammation. In 2011, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that anthocyanins also help to normalize blood pressure. Anthocyanins appear to help mitigate the effects of angiotensin-converting enzyme, which causes arteries to constrict and raises blood pressure. In a subsequent study reported in 2012, researchers found that a higher intake of anthocyanins and flavones are inversely associated with less arterial stiffness, central blood pressure, and atherosclerosis. The evidence continues to mount for the benefits of anthocyanins and other flavonoid compounds. A 2013 review and analysis of studies reported that dietary intake of 6 classes of flavonoids, namely flavonols, anthocyanidins, proanthocyanidins, flavones, flavanones, and flavonthiols, significantly decreases the risk of cardiovascular disease. Cancer. Anthocyanins and anthocyanin-rich extracts in cell culture and in animals have anti-carcinogenic activities. While laboratory studies have provided some insight into how they may work, the exact mechanism for how these dietary compounds prevent cancer is unclear. Laboratory studies that used a variety of cancer cells have indicated that anthocyanins not only act as antioxidants, they also activate detoxifying enzymes, prevent cancer cell proliferation, induce cancer cell death, have anti-inflammatory effects, have anti-angiogenesis effects, prevent cancer cell invasion, and induce differentiation. In animal studies, anthocyanins inhibit cancer development in animals given carcinogens and in those with a hereditary predisposition to cancer. Anthocyanins have been tested against esophageal, colon, skin, and lung cancer, and in several cases have been effective against the development and progression of these cancers. In one study, freeze-dried black raspberries inhibited cell proliferation, inflammation, and angiogenesis of esophageal cancer cells in rats. In cell culture, anthocyanins from an anthocyanin-enriched purple sweet potato stopped the reproduction of colon cancer cells and initiated cancer cell death. Human studies have been less promising. 2 studies from Italy found no relationship between anthocyanin intake and the risk of oral, pharyngeal, or prostate cancer. Another study examined the effect of supplementing the diets of young cancer patients receiving chemotherapy with 50 mg of anthocyanins, 40 mg of cysteine, and 200 mg of glutathione, and found no increased inhibition of tumor growth when compared to chemotherapy alone. 21. Cognitive function. With regard to cognitive function, research suggests that flavonoids, including anthocyanins, have the ability to enhance memory and help prevent age-related declines in mental functioning. Extensive research in animals has shown that the flavonoids found in fruit and fruit juices can improve memory and slow age-related loss of cognitive functioning. Several other studies have found that berries, most notably blueberries, which are rich in anthocyanins, can effectively reverse age-related deficits in certain aspects of working memory. Anthocyanins and other flavonoids are thought to work by inhibiting neuroinflammation, activating synaptic signaling, and improving blood flow to the brain. It appears that some dietary anthocyanins can cross the blood-brain barrier, allowing the compounds to have a direct beneficial effect. Conclusion. The potential use of anthocyanins from different plant species as natural compounds with a health benefit for humans opens a new trend for the prevention and alternative treatments of chronic diseases. Several reports have demonstrated that anthocyanins from berries could inhibit or decrease the growth of carcinogenic tumors by affecting cell proliferation, increasing or inhibiting enzymatic systems, and increasing expression of genes involved in cell protection.